In this movie, we look at ways of positioning both tables and table contents. The v-align attribute is used for vertical alignment, the align attribute for horizontal alignment. You'll use left, center, and right with the align attribute, and use top, middle, and bottom values with the v-align attribute. The align, BG color, and v-align attributes of the table element were deprecated in HTML 4.01 and are not supported in XHTML1 and HTML5. I have 5 tables here nested inside of another table. Each one of them has a different v-align or align attribute set up with their table tag. Here is the table v-align equals top. That's going to be placed at the top of this table, this master table in here. V-align bottom places this table at the bottom. Table align right over to the right. Table align center, notice, puts this table right in the center, and this is the results of the table align left attribute. To see the effect of this alignment attribute directly, I have a table here, a simple table in a very simple HTML document. Notice that I have not specified an alignment. I have no alignment attribute here, and the default alignment, horizontal alignment, is to the left. However, if I do add an alignment attribute, set it to center, the table will go into the center with a value of right. The table will be formatted over to the right, and left likewise will move this over to the left of the page. Now you can also apply alignment attributes to TR tags and TD tags. Probably it's best to demonstrate the vertical alignment attributes using the TR tag. So here are the results of 3 tables. The first one has a TR tag attribute set to v-align equals top. You can see that right here, v-align top. This one in the middle, this table in the middle, has a TR align middle, setting this content right here in the middle of the table. And the bottom table here has a v-align equal to bottom, setting that to the very bottom of the table. Now there's also a baseline setting for your v-align attribute. The baseline is the imaginary line on which the rest of all the letters in a line of text reside. Baseline sets the row so that all the cells share the same baseline. Most of the time this has the same effect as the bottom value, but if the fonts are all different sizes, the baseline value of the v-align attribute will look better. So for example, notice in this table I have different font sizes. If the font sizes are about the same, baseline and bottom will be the same. But notice in this case, over to the right, my jury text is much bigger. So with this v-alignment set to baseline, all of the text will be aligned along that baseline. Here's a great example of this concept that I found at this website, htmlcodetutorial.com. Notice that here with the v-align equals bottom, this aligns the text to the very bottom of the text, whereas v-align baseline aligns the cells along the baselines of the text. So the second one here looks better, and again you'll notice this if you have different sizes of fonts in the same table. So there you have a very nice example of the difference between v-align bottom and v-align baseline. HTML tables actually have 2 kinds of cells: header cells delineated by the TH tag and standard or data cells delineated by the TD tag, as you can see here in this example. So let me now move on to the next movie and give you an introduction of the definition and usage of the TH or header cell in an HTML table.